Morning guys, hope you're all well. It's kind of chilly today actually, pretty windy. The most important thing is I have slept. If you have seen my last vlog, the Helsinki vlog, you'll know that I haven't slept for 48 hours, but I got like solid 8 hours last night. Doesn't mean I don't feel tired because I'm still backlogged on sleep, but I have slept now. Today I'm going to Estonia, Tallinn, on the Tallinn ferry line. There's like a ferry line across the Baltic Sea which connects Helsinki and Tallinn, which you can go literally for a day, which is what I'm doing. So it's a 2-hour trip there. It's at 10:30. It's coming up to 9 o'clock now, so I've got plenty of time to get to where I need to get. It'll take half an hour to get there, and then yeah, it's a 2-hour ferry to get there. I'll then have 6.5 hours in Estonia, in Tallinn, and then a 2-hour ferry back at 7:30 p.m. So yeah, gonna see Estonia. Took another country off my list, go to a city which I've wanted to go to for a while, Tallinn. I've always wanted to go there at Christmas time though. It's not Christmas time at the moment, it's mid-October. It's actually a really cold morning actually. Haven't got a jumper on under this, just a t-shirt, but it'll warm up later in the day. That's what I wore yesterday, so I'll be fine. But yeah, city I've wanted to go to for a while, so let's tick it off my bucket list. I'll probably eventually go back there for Christmas time one year, but let's go see what Estonia's like, take some street photos. Probably a similar kind of vlog to my Helsinki one yesterday, going around the city, exploring it, taking photos, not going in any museums or anything. So look at this view over here. Eventually somewhere there'll be the sea, so there's always like water channels in and around Helsinki. It's overexposed. Yeah, let's head to the ferry.
Have a great day. Hallo the Meister.
So I'm now in Tallinn in Estonia, and literally a minute ago it was starting to snow. Well, very like sleet snow, and it was melting, so I can hit the ground, but it's 4 degrees. It was more snow than rain, I'd say. Yeah, I'm trying to find the old town now. Apparently I'm right on the border of it according to Google Maps, and we'll get some photos there. It's very surprising though, the city. I thought it'd be a lot more like Riga than it is. Remember I went to Riga last year. Go and watch those videos if you haven't seen them already. Yeah, it's a lot more built up and modern than I thought it would be, and like Riga has its more built up and modern areas. I guess maybe the old town's similar when I get there, but it's a lot more just well developed in the 20 years it's been independent, whatever it is, 30 years, than I thought it would be. So yeah, very interesting. Here we are, starting to see a bit more of an old town looking area over here now. Let's go see what it's like. If it's anything like Riga, the buildings will be really pretty and we'll get some amazing photos. This is more like it in the old town kind of area now. Don't know why there's a Lithuanian flag. Might be the embassy or something. I've got the 85mm on the camera, that's why I'm filming on my phone again. See what kind of shots I can capture on that lens. I don't really think I needed the wide lens on right now. I want to get some more creative zoomed in, cropped in photos. But yeah, let's explore the old town. I'd actually even say right now it's prettier than Riga because it's all more narrow and close together, which is different. A little bit more colourful as well. Riga was kind of like more expensive, fancy looking, whereas this feels a bit more working class, castle-y, and I don't know, slightly different. It's unfortunately raining a bit now and it's rather wet. Not the bright blue sunny sky that I had in Helsinki yesterday, which is a bit annoying because it would have been really nice if I had that. And also my fingers are a bit cold. Got souvenirs in the souvenir shops, I've got that sorted in Tallinn. And also I believe this gate is quite well known behind me now, down there. Yeah, still wandering around the old town, getting a few pictures and stuff. In these kind of areas it really does start beginning to look a bit like Latvia, Riga's old town. I'm not entirely sure I'm going to be able to keep this up for 6 hours walking around the old town. Probably going to go in a shop and get a coffee or something just to kill a bit of time before the ferry. It's only 2 o'clock now, the ferry's at 7:30, I want to be there at 6:30. Yeah, look at this up behind me now. Big famous church. There are a couple other famous buildings I need to go and see, or see if I can go and see before I head to a coffee shop. I would like to go somewhere just to warm up.